Hi guys, I am your dear friend Harry. Today I will tell you about Sri Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand born in 1980 in Simla Pali, Calcutta. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. His father's name was Vishwanath Dutt and his mother's name was Bhuneswari Devi. Narendra had started his studies at home. Narendra was gifted in teaching and writing from his childhood. He was proficient in all subjects like philosophy, history, science, and psychology. He was very interested in Ved, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Purans. Narendranath spent most of his childhood in physical exercise, sports, and organizational activities. Swami Vivekanand Guru name was Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans. Under the leadership of Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans, he became an expert in all subjects. When Narendranath became young, he said in the name of suppression caste religion to fool peoples, he was an opponent in all this. When Narendranath's Guru died, then the hermitage was on the whole responsibility and on Narendra's head. In the early period of 1887, from the day Narendra and his followers took the hermitage vow, his name was Sri Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand toured the country in all four directions, met many peoples, and shared their sorrow by staying with them. He had only one thought: lead the nation, move forward, do your patriotism. One of his words become very famous. Aries, wake up and keep working till the destination is reached. In September 1893, when he went to the Parliament of Religion in the city of Chicago, America, he illuminated the name of his country there too. There all the white people used to tell the public about their religions by speaking ladies and gentlemen in the mic. But when Swamiji's turn came, he remembered his mother India and said, "My dear brother and sisters," how much he said there the thunder of applause started. How did this happen? Because he spoke his mother tongues full of the respect and love. When Swamiji come out after finishing his speech in Chicago, a fair English madam impressed by Swamiji's stunning speech said, "Swamiji, I want to marry you." Then Swamiji said, "Why did the fair madam tell that you are such a beautiful woman? If we both meet, then how stunning will our child come then?" Then Swamiji said, "I cannot marry you, but if you want a bright child, then I am ready to be your son." This is the culture of our Indian country. Indian culture, it is not famous like this in foreign country. In our country, many great human beings were born like Swami Vivekanand and died for the country and for the religions. Our beloved Sri Swami Vivekanand died on 4 July 902 and lost a great philosopher to our country. So friends, how like my audiobook story? If you like my story, then like it, share and subscribe my channel so that you will get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.